Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There will be no more working out of the box if you're doing puzzles with this awesome puzzle table from PLAYVIBE. This table is a really beautiful table that's made out of nice quality wood, and it makes puzzle making so easy. The puzzle table itself is 27 by 35 inches, so it holds a 1,500 piece puzzle very easily. And if you don't want to work with all of the pieces at once, you can store them in one of the 6 drawers that are conveniently tucked into the sides of the table. The table itself came completely put together. All we had to do is put the base on, which allows you to swivel the puzzle around, and the knobs on the drawers. That swiveling feature is really cool too, because if you get tired of working on a section, you can always turn the table and work on another one, or you can do it as a family where everyone has a section they're working on. I really also like the puzzle table because not only is it made out of a really beautiful wood, but it has a really nice thick plastic cover that you can put on the top. We have cats who love jumping up when we're doing puzzles. They'll often either disappear with a puzzle piece or even chew the pieces. But thanks to this protective cover, if we're not doing the puzzle, we can easily put the cover on and they will not be able to get any of those pieces. If your family has a tradition of doing puzzles or you like to do them by yourself, you really need to get this puzzle table. It will completely change the way that you do your puzzles. But that's just my point of view.